What up, guys? Malong6 here, and we all know about the notorious Nintendo Joy-Con drift that we get with our Joy-Cons. But what else can you get fixed? Today we are going to go ahead and contact Nintendo customer support, schedule a repair, and I'm going to walk you through the process so that way you guys can do it for your own Nintendo Joy-Cons. Now, the rumors that I've heard is that you may not get the exact same color back. So if you have some special edition one like Fortnite or Pokemon Edition Joy-Con, I don't know if you'll get the same color back. We're going to test that today in this video, and I'm going to show you how to do it. And we're also going to take out more than just Joy-Con drift. Like I got this right here, this one, there's an issue here, as well as this one just slides right off the rail, and I got a red and blue one here that have issues as well. So the first thing you may notice is that there's a tree. That is because this is December, it's close to Christmas, and we're going to be keeping track of how long it actually takes for Nintendo to fix 6 different Joy-Cons that we're going to be sending in today. So let me go ahead and share with you the process of what it may look like, and as well as I wanted to let you guys know that I believe this service is available for US and Canada, as well as Latin America and the Caribbean and the United Kingdom, Australia, New Zealand, and Europe. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump on over here to the computer and let's look at what we got here. All right, so we are here on the US page. Link for all the other regions will be down below, but we're going to go ahead and take a look at the US thing so you can continue as guests, but we're going to go ahead and log into my Nintendo account. Now, do keep in mind that the links down below are for Joy-Cons only. If you need to repair your actual Switch or something else, then that may cost money. But I hear that the Joy-Cons are free to fix. I don't know if they're going to pay for shipping or not. We're going to figure that out today. So definitely keep that in mind. Let me go ahead and fill out, oh, it'll ask for me my symptoms. So it looks like every symptom you see here, whereas it's unable to attach or detach from the consoles, which 3 out of 4 of these, that is the issue. And the other issue is the one that doesn't have a grip also randomly hits the home button while you're playing. It's really random and weird and annoying. What? Let's see. So the control stick on the Joy-Con feels loose. I think that would be Joy-Con drift. The stick is not responding on the Joy-Con or responds incorrectly. That also might be drift. I don't know. Housing cracked. Oh, the housing, probably there's a crack on the actual shell here of the Joy-Con. Maybe that would also include this. I don't know. Buttons are not responding or responding incorrectly. That would be this one when it hits the home button randomly all the time. Main issue we're having is that the rails slide on and off without any effort. Let me show you. So for example, here is my brand new Joy-Con that I got with my unboxing of the OLED Switch, and here is another one that's having a rail issue. So you'll see the white one does not slide off, but the gray one slides off like that. I put the same amount of pressure on them. Let me go ahead and show you again. So the white one will not slide off. Let me go ahead and put another minus on here that has the issue. Look at that. All right, so that's what we're going to be testing today. Okay, so let's go ahead and put these in. I have 4 different ones here. So first one we're going to do is this minus gray. It's unable to attach. It's the left side. It's gray. And it looks like if you can select the special edition, so I don't know if they'll give you back the same color or not. We're going to be testing that today. So good, let's go ahead and select gray, repair another Joy-Con. So Joy-Con number 2 is the exact same thing, where it's unable to attach, and it's the left side. It's the gray one again, normal gray. Let's do another one here. So now this is a plus with the same issue, so it's unable to attach. Right side, it is gray, normal gray, and add another one. And this one has buttons are not responding correctly. It is the right side. It is also gray, and there you go. So now let me go ahead and add the red and blue ones. And then with these red and blue ones, what an issue I'm having right now is, well, the blue one just slides off like some of these gray ones. And this red one, trying to figure out what the issue is right now, besides having the top ripped off here of the Joy-Con. It doesn't come out or anything. I wasn't able to test I don't have any game to test that. It is dirty right there, not a big deal, but I'm gonna send it in and see to get it replaced, or they send it back to me. We'll just see what happens to it. So let's go ahead and select. Okay, so for the blue one, we know what to do. It's just simple, cannot attach, left side. It's blue. Which blue? Is it a neon blue or a normal blue? This looks like neon blue to me. I'm gonna mark it as neon blue. Repair another Joy-Con. So now this one is the neon red one, and we not really sure what's wrong with this one. So I'm gonna say, I guess the housing is cracked, because it just is, I guess, that part right there. Not a big deal. We'll see if they get me this one back or not, in the same condition, or if they try to fix it. So we're just going to say cracked housing, I guess. I could say it feels loose or something, but I don't know. We're going to do this one. Right side and red, and I believe this is going to be the neon red one. So we're going to go ahead and do that. All right, so I went ahead and hit continue, and it says that $0 estimate repair for all of these Joy-Cons I got here. All what I have, 6 of them or something. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, all 6 of these Joy-Cons should be free, and it says most repairs are completed and returned within 10 to 16 business days. Now it is Christmas time and shipping may take longer. We're gonna see if we have to pay for shipping. Today is Christmas time, as we talked about, so let's go ahead and hit continue. And then what are all these things? All right, carefully read and acknowledge the following important information about your products. I acknowledge that after Nintendo's review of the product, the defect is discovered to be out of warranty, or if any additional payment amount is required for repair, Nintendo will contact me to arrange payment. If I do not respond or fail to make payment, the product will be returned to me unrepaired. That seems good. While Nintendo takes steps to keep my save data safe during the repair, it cannot always be saved, and my product may be returned to me without my saved data. That's fine, since these are just Joy-Cons. I must create a separate repair request for each product I send in to repair. So since these are all the same product, they're all Joy-Cons, I was able to send them all in at once. Any product sent to me without its own repair request will be returned to me unrepaired. Note, a Joy-Con is considered a separate product from the Nintendo Switch, Nintendo Switch Lite, and other system or accessories. Okay. Certain products may contain lithium batteries, and I will not ship more than 4 of such products per box. I understand that if I need to ship more than 4 products of such pot, Nintendo will provide me additional shipping labels as needed. So I don't know if these contain lithium batteries or not, but we're going to learn that today because I have more than 4. That's cool to know. I dropped some. All right, I have read it and accepted the factory service repair and conditions. Good. I wonder what the warranty is for a Joy-Con. So if you, I'm assuming that if you open this up or something, it voids the warranty because you try to fix it yourself, but I'm not exactly sure. So I don't see anything specifically for Joy-Con controllers. I don't know the warranty. But let's go ahead and hit continue, and let's fill out this information. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and click to send me repair updates via text. And shipping method, Nintendo provides me a shipping label. So shipping is free. You can ship it out yourself, but shipping is free. So let's go ahead and select that. And what do we have to do? Oh, I have to put in my address. Duh. Okay, so now I added my address. Let's go ahead and hit continue. It looks like fixing all these Joy-Cons will indeed be free. Where's the blue one? There it is. Will indeed be free. So that's really cool. Okay, so now that we've gone ahead and submitted, it looks like they're going to, here's my repair ID, and they're going to give me all the stuff that I have to include in the shipping label. Let's go ahead and print this out. seal and address, and then ship it out. Quick note, it says do not pack more than 4 Joy-Cons per box. So these do indeed contain lithium batteries, as I thought. Okay guys, I found the tracking number. So under summary here, you go down here and it'll give you a tracking number, and you go ahead and hit print. Now there's 2 of them here, so we are good, we are set. So let's go ahead and print these both. So we're gonna go ahead and do all that real quick, and then we'll be back with you shortly. I'll let you know what the status is for all these 6 Joy-Cons, and we'll be back with you shortly. Well, for me, it's gonna be like, I guess 10 to 16 days, I said, but for you, only a small amount of time. Joy-Cons came in. So yeah, the Joy-Cons came in, and it's not even Christmas yet. It took 10 days. I shipped this out on December 14th and it got here December 24th. Merry Christmas Eve, everyone. And so yeah, they also put a sticker on it that says December 14th. I already peeled it off, that's why it was like that. So they actually make sure they try to like get their things done in a timely manner, since they must timestamp everything. I got an email when it was shipped out, an email when it arrived. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this up. Now I already cut it, so let's go ahead and open it. Okay, a lot of packing peanuts. Whoa. Okay, so let's see if I got all the same colors, and then see if the issues are actually fixed. Okay, so there's actually papers in here, and it says we have verified your problem and repaired or replaced the defective components. That's good. And then it's in Spanish on the other side, and then it has all the information about each individual Joy-Con. Okay, it just says we fixed it. That's all it says. So let's actually take a look, see if they're the exact same Joy-Cons or not. Well, at least they're the same color. I don't know if they're the same. All right, so if I remember right, we had 4 grays. Oh, I would like to say something. Remember how important it was that we could only put 4, or we could only put a few Joy-Cons? They shipped all 6 of them in the same one. What was the whole point of making sure that I separate them in different things, that they just put them all in the same one anyways? Nintendo don't understand you. Oh, they shrunk wrapped them. That's cool. Okay, so we got right gray. We got 2 of these. Now there's a barcode on this one, so maybe they couldn't fix it, so they gave us a new one. I'm not entirely sure. That's fixed. These are supposedly fixed, and the one that had the messed up the stick is replaced, so that's good. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and grab my Switch real quick and see if all the issues are resolved. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take all the plastic off. It looks like all of them have a barcode. No, the blue one does not have a barcode behind it. This gray one does not have a barcode. So only 2 of them don't have a barcode on the back. Don't know what that means. I don't know if we'll even find out. Maybe these are new, I don't know. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and take one of the Joy-Cons, put it on here, and make sure that all of them are working real quick. I'm assuming they tested all this already, but it's not coming out. It's not coming out, so that's fixed. Let's go ahead and make sure it's working. It's working right now. I'd say these are successful. They aren't sliding off, and that was my biggest concern with them. Let me go ahead and test these guys out, see if they slide off. Pretty good, pretty good. Let's go ahead and try these guys, make sure they don't slide off. Perfect. Now I'll let you guys know if I notice any issue with that one that was randomly typing in buttons, but as of right now, I think it's going to be okay. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know in the comments down below if you have any questions, as well as take a look at this video where my girlfriend and I play Luigi's Mansion 3, as well as we have plenty different video games. So if there's any other games you see that we should make videos on, let's plays, live streams, doesn't matter, let us know in the comments down below. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Merry Christmas, and as always, stay safe, stay active, and stay healthy, and God bless. Peace. Can't get the tape off my finger. Hold on. There we go. Okay, so we got right,